7 hip.
Okay.
You want to learn it first?
Let's try it again.
No.
Let's do steps. Go. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Body roll. Boom, 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 boom. Reverse body roll. And 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, and try to maybe to keep the hand. Keep the hand. Yes. Yeah.
Underneath my head. Nice.
Oh. You did, yeah?
Yes, I'm forgetting to go under his hand. So.
Ta, and you have to earlier go for the hips. Yeah, already 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom. And just start. You don't have to guide the whole. Just start.
Oh, just start it.
Just
yeah, I don't need to. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to guide the
Start
whole.
and girl finishes, yeah? Like guy starts moving.
What do you mean by that?
Lady finishes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, and also you do it in your body too. Yeah. And could be like this. Let's do like this, 2 hands, so we match.
Yeah, it's easier.
You got it? And here for the head, somehow, I think will be easier. Yeah, let's go again. We go with the loop. 1, 2, 3, like this kind of connection. Like, no, hold hand on me. Yeah, this kind of. Because when she steps, it's easier to kind of take her. Yeah, and you want to have a contact with her neck here all the time. Yeah, all the time. Warm. Yeah. Like you want to, with your ear, touch my hand. Yes, thank you. Warm. Got it? And your hands basically always on the same spot. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm like,
Like you want to do this to him. Yeah. So if you...
Here?
Yeah, you want to do this.
Oh my God. Okay.
Warm and guide me, you see? Push your fingers inside.
Okay.
Yeah, warm and... Yes. Yeah, in the sense it's a little... But the key is to get her here. Yeah, hold the hand to with your... Yeah, like this. Yeah, warm. Yeah.
Okay.
Better? Yeah? So
my
a little
hand
bit...
stays connected across or to get there?
Yeah, I think here.
Here and then here.
Whoa. It's all, yeah, and then
I know, I'm
finish.
like, hello.
Yeah, so the idea is, girl, you're always on default to do a basic step. So you always think basic step, you always think next is the and now he like kind of like stops you, but then continues to the basic step.
Okay.
All the time, we come to that 4. Yeah? Okay, so let's roll.
Let's roll.
Let's roll.